Secretary, I'm very sorry.
Binalaan ni Senador Ardente Marcolita si Secretary Boy Rimulya.
Also, sir, I'm very sorry too if you do not agree with me. But I respect your opinion, sir, and we will carry out our job as we deem fit, as we see.
Mr. Chair, I said
that the
I
country
am not
needs.
expressing an opinion here. I am articulating the provision of law. You do not change the provision of law, Mr. Secretary.
Gusto
You may
kasi
be
ni
disbarred from
Secretary
doing
Boy
this.
Rimulya na baguhin ang provision ng batas.
It's your opinion, sir. It's your option, sir.
Sinabi ko na nga, hindi ko opinion ito. I am articulating
Then it's your option,
the
sir. It
provision of
is
law.
what you wish to happen. That you may proceed
Ikaw ang
with what you
nagbibigay
wish.
ng opinion, nilalagay mo yung restitution to test the goodwill of a possible applicant. It is not in the law. Unless you are able to point out the provision of law that it come before. Hindi ganun eh. Sabi mo na nga, and we admitted, impliedly instituted ang civil liability, but this will come eventually after the court has pronounced kung magkano ibabalik niya kung meron man. Not before. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yan ang mahirap pagka may pinagtatakpan.